Hey friends, if you wish to check if your PC can run Windows 11 or not, then please watch this video or I will guide you through the process. So there's something called as the PC health check tool. Search for it on Google or any browser and then go to the website to download it and then download it and open it. Wait for its installation, it needs a while. Once it is done, check the box for I accept the license terms. Select install. Click on finish. So here's the PC health check tool. If it says introducing Windows 11, then click on check now. If you get a green tick, this PC meets Windows requirements, then you will be able to install Windows 11. Otherwise, you will be given other differences which you will have to fix. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.